Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Frontpoint smart home account settings and rules, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Frontpoint smart home account settings and rules, begin by logging into your Frontpoint account. Use your preferred web browser and navigate to the Frontpoint website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Settings tab on the main navigation menu. Click on Settings to view your account settings and rules. Look for the section labeled Smart Home Rules or Automation Rules. Select this option to display all the current rules applied to your smart home devices. To back up these settings, you may need to take screenshots of each rule. Open each rule individually and capture a screenshot of the rule's details. Ensure each screenshot is clear and legible for future reference. Next, locate the Devices section within your account. Click on Devices to review all smart home devices linked to your account. Take note of each device's settings and configurations as well. Capture additional screenshots where necessary. After you have gathered all necessary screenshots, create a dedicated folder on your computer. Label the folder appropriately for easy identification. Transfer all screenshots into this folder for safekeeping. Consider creating a document where you summarize the key settings for additional clarity. Make sure to save this document alongside your screenshots. For added security, back up this folder to an verify that the backup has been successfully completed. Regularly update your backup whenever you make changes to your smart home settings or rules. This ensures you always have the most recent information stored securely. Following these steps will provide peace of mind regarding your Frontpoint smart home account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.